Hello and welcome back to Full Scholarships. Today we are here with new opportunity for you, and this time it's a fully funded summit in Azerbaijan. It's in the Baku region of Azerbaijan, and this is fully funded Global Peace Summit 2022-2023. We will discuss about this, how to apply, and tips to get selected, how to receive the fully funded scholarships, and we'll discuss about all the parts of this particular opportunity and summit in the international. So before that, if you're new on our YouTube channel, please do subscribe to Full Scholarships. You can join our premier membership. Also, you can purchase our merchandise. Optional merchandise is now available on our Instagram and the YouTube. So it's a YouTube optional merchandise. So you can click there and purchase our tees, caps, and other products are coming soon. So if you have any particular requirement, so please tell us in the comment section that I need this type of merchandise. We will get it curated particularly for you. So now you can get this scholarship link, this summit link and international conference link from the YouTube video description below. Click on the link in the YouTube video description and it will take you to our website here. Also, you can message us on Instagram. Our username is Full Scholarships as you see on screen. You can also click on the link in bio and it will take you to the same website here. So once you click on the link in the video description below YouTube, then it will take you to our website. Here you can check fully funded Global Peace Summit 2022 Baku, Azerbaijan. So applications are right now open for this Global Peace Summit and any nation are eligible for this. So you don't need IELTS, TOEFL or test results to apply for this particular, but you need to have just an English language as a as a medium of speaking. And you can check other details that the Global Youth Summit duration is 4 days and timeline is 29th of May to 1st June. So there are total 150 places which will be covered under the process, and air ticket, accommodation, peace passport, certificate, reflections, and other all types of kits will be covered under fully funded. So there will be delegates from 180 nations in the attendance, and here are some basic details about this particular opportunity. Let's quickly remind the basic opportunities and basic points. The country is Azerbaijan, one of the top finest countries, and duration for this particular summit is 4 days. So this will last long for 4 days, and the places are total in 150. So total 150 candidates can apply, will be selected for this. So dates are the for the this summit are 29th May to 1st June, and the host organization is Global Peace Chain, and the deadline for this opportunity is April 29th. So you have this month left to apply for this. So here are some benefits about this Global Peace Summit and the number of scholarships. And here you can check. So there will be 15 fully funded spots and 25 semi-funded and 110 self-funded. So these are divided into three categories. So we will have tips how to fill this part, how to get selected for fully funded, semi-funded, and how to do the other processes. Here is the eligibility criteria. You must be of 16 to 40 of age and open-minded, highly motivated, and enthusiastic. Then you can check other eligibility criteria also. And once you're done with reading everything, you can scroll down and there is apply now button in the yellow color. So click on this apply now button here. So once you click on that apply now button, it will take to the Global Peace Chain official website. Here you can check all details are mentioned there. So on the official here you can check 18 days are left and you can apply before the April 29. Once you scroll down, you can check the apply now button is given here. You can check last year in the Turkish version and eligibility criteria. Here are some snaps from the organization. So once you are done with reading, you can scroll down. So are you ready? So yes. So now click on this apply here button in this here. So click on this. So after click on that, this type of form will be appearing in front of you. So here is a form, Global Peace Summit. So it's a fully funded, partially funded, and self-funded, three categories. So first 15 will be the fully funded, and others 25 will be the partial funded, and 10 self-funded. So all details are mentioned here on the form itself. So you can read and clear it. So every timing is given there, and the dress code is also mentioned here. So how to do that? Now once you are done, click on the next button here. So in the next step, you will be asked to sign the agree the terms and conditions. So please read the terms and conditions. And once you are done with this selection, everything, then click on next. So in the next submission, you have to fill the form, fill the date and the name as per the passport, then country, your nationality, your address T, and then date of birth. So you must be between 16 and 25, 16 to 40. So just be clear about that. So I'm submitting that. Then you can submit the passport ID, then the gender and the Twitter, Instagram link. So you can submit that. So after that, so we have now. So let me quickly go to the Instagram and copy this. So after that, speak language. So I am speaking English. So you should submit it. So departure city. So I'll be selecting Delhi, and it should. So how to do about this? So please choose this. So you have heard from the social media, and do you require visa to enter Azerbaijan? Say yes, and if no, so you can state the reason also. So any disability, any meal restrictions, have you ever participated? So you can say yes or no. So shirt size, so you can say your shirt size, and then would you like to be enrolled at global peace ambassador? So again yes, and answer these questions. These are very important. So here is a tip. So elaborate on your be clear about it. What you have achieved, what you have done in the past, what you are going to make in the future. Please tell clearly that, and do not just falsely claim anything. Be true, be clear, and what inspired you to be part of this? So how did you? This is a very important question. So what inspired you to? So say you are just going to learn new things to from the other countries as well. Those will be participating and just be high in your achievements and submit that. After that, how what is your opinion about this? So you should just be clear that how this will help you and how this global peace summit will help others and how this will bring other things to uh, at the same common place. Now, after that, you have to pay a fee. So you can pay by PayPal or an application fee by debit card or credit card. So after you pay the fee, take a screenshot and upload that screenshot here. Once you're done with this, attach your national ID or passport here. After done with this, attach your profile picture here. So it's an important step. If you don't have passport right now, you can submit national ID, but it's recommended, it's highly needed that you must have a passport. So in order to travel, so you need a passport. So just apply till then don't have the passport, and attach your profile picture max. Then have your signature here. Once everything is done, just click on submit and uh, submit this form. So organization may be your university, and this is enough, and that's it. If you have doubt in answering, we have clear answer about these. So if you need any answers, so you can just go for our premium version on Instagram. So we will provide your answers there, and just be clear that what you achieved, what you are, and what you want to do in future, currently and past. Just answer these in the same manner. I hope you understood the process. If you need any guidance on this Baku selection, you can consult the official team of the Global Peace Summit. You can contact them here. They will guide you. If you have any doubt, you can ask them. And with this, I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Full Scholarships, and buy our merchandise, optional merchandise from YouTube. And with this, I am signing off for Full Scholarships. Please subscribe. Have a nice day ahead.